Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone, and this is John's equipment from Florida. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. Wayne is restoring the payphone booth for this unit, and it's a wood payphone booth, so that's really cool. And Wayne sent this unit in for John, the owner of this payphone. And so this is going to be a really cool project. When Wayne finishes up the payphone booth, then he will reinstall this unit back into the payphone booth. I'm sure it's going to look great when these two units are finished up and put back together like they originally were. Now we want to troubleshoot this unit. We're going to be converting it, and we want to go through the transmit, the receive. We also want to troubleshoot the security cable. We want to go through the hook switch. We want to go through the rotary dial. It's very sluggish and it looks like it may hang up. So we want to go ahead and go through the rotary dial. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the dial and make sure that the numbers are dialing properly. We need to rewire this unit the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We also want to install a bell and a bell circuit along with a switch so we can turn the bell off and on. We will be installing a modular line port so that you can simply bring in any length line cord, any color that you choose, plug right into the modular line port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We also want to go through the coin validator. We want to make sure that all the coins are falling through the coin validator properly. We want to take a look at the vault lock. There is no key, so we need to access the vault lock and rekey a key to the vault lock. This unit is also missing the front cover lock, so we will locate a front cover lock for this unit. We will be going through the entire payphone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, converting, and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with a repair of this really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention that we have an amplified pickup connected to the network of this 3-slot payphone, and it's so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. We also want to mention that when we were troubleshooting the receive, we found a bad receiver, and so that receiver element was replaced. We'll set that to the side. It is no use to us. And we also want to mention that when we access the vault area so that we could rekey a key to the vault lock, we did find some change that was in this unit. So John's already getting rich with bubblegum money. We're going to go ahead and run this change through the coin validator, and it'll fall into the cash box area. We're going to use a quarter, and that will gong one time. We're going to use a dime. That will ring the bell 2 times. Sometimes you can't pick up the second ring on the video, but we'll see what happens. A nickel, that will ring the bell 1 time. We'll do another dime. Another nickel. And we have 2 last nickels. So that was the change that we found in this unit when we accessed the vault area. We also located a lock and a key for the front cover, so that's been taken care of also. Now what we want to do is go ahead and start our final checkout. We're going to use the analyzer and ring this unit. So we installed a bell and a bell circuit along with a switch to be able to turn the bell off. But we're just going to go ahead and use the bell in the on setting, and we'll go ahead and use the analyzer and start the ring cycle. We're going to let that go a few times. I'm going to let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now we want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our receiver up. Now we also want to mention that Wayne is restoring the wood payphone booth that this payphone was installed in, and he does have the informational sign at his location. So I'm sure when that informational sign is reinstalled on this payphone, it's going to look great. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Saturday, September 19th. The current time, 7:02 p.m. and the temperature, 73 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to John and Wayne and they can finish up the project. I'm sure it's going to look great when it's finished up. I hope they send us some pictures of these two units together. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.